I am Rafael Valencia Guevara, representing the municipality of Florida Blanca.
Hi Rafael, my name is Brian. Good afternoon. Just a few questions. Kanina naganap yung closed door interview. Ano ang pinakamahirap na naitanong sa'yo?
For me, sir, the hardest question that I've got is when I go back in time, which part of my life should I change? Then I answered that at an earlier age, I should have spent my time knowing our culture, promoting it in different provinces at an earlier age. I hope that I could have loved Pampanga more at an early age, and I am here now continuing that pride at my 20s.
Alright, nice answer. So ano naman ang pinakamadaling question para sa'yo?
For me, sir, the easiest question I've got was why I was asked, what should I do if I win Mr. Pampanga? Then, from the start, I know to myself that my purpose in joining here is aligned with my values. And that value is to promote Kapampangan culture here in our province, to remind younger generation to speak our native language, to celebrate our unique dishes, and promote Kapampangan culture in a more bigger platform and be proud of being a Kapampangan.
Okay, last question. Why should you win Mr. Pampanga 2024?
I think more than preparing for fitness and stage presence, I've been preparing this ever since the moment I started to join. And my values are aligned with my passion, which is to educate and to influence my younger generation of Kapampangans to remember the roots they have once lost, to remember the pride that they can gain. That's why I'm here to instill pride in my fellow Kapampangan people.
Thank you so much. Just